I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. I hope this new year is going to bring you lots of love, happiness and pleasant surprises into your life. On this special occasion, I made these very yummy and colorful cookies. These are filled with rainbow heart inside. As you can see, very interesting, right? So let's see how to make these. For this recipe, first I have taken 250 grams of unsalted butter here. First let's mash this nicely. Make sure the butter is at room temperature so that it will be easier to mash it. To this I am adding 200 grams of powdered sugar. Mix everything nicely. Now add a pinch of salt, a little bit of vanilla essence around 5 ml. Add 4 egg yolks. I have shown only 3 egg yolks here, but I have added one later on, so add 4 egg yolks into this. Give it all a mix. Now place a sieve and add 450 grams of cake flour or self-rising flour. Sieve it nicely into it. Mix this all well to make a nice dough. The dough should not be too soft and it should not be too hard as well. This is the perfect consistency that we need. Now take it onto a plate. Cut it into 3 different parts and save one part aside to have the white layer of it, and in the remaining 2 parts cut them into totally 6 different parts so that we can add 6 different colors into each of these. Now take one portion. I'm going to add a little bit of red color into this and mix it well. This is ready now. Let's keep it aside. Now let's take our next color one. I'm going to add some orange color into this. Mix it nicely. All of our cookie doughs are ready now. Let's see the next step. So friends, this is the cookie cutter that I am going to use for the heart shape. The height of this one is 3 centimeters, as you can see. This one, and we are dividing it into 6 parts, so each part has to be 0.5 centimeters. So when we are rolling the dough, we have to make sure that each color dough is of 0.5 centimeter thickness. Now take our red color dough, place it on a foil paper like this, make it into rectangular shape, place a thin polythene sheet on the top like this, it's a cling film, and start rolling. It has to be about 0.5 centimeters thickness. Chop off the edges. Add this on the side like this. Place the cover and roll it again with gentle hand. Check the height of this one. It should be approximately 0.5 centimeters. Let us roll all the 6 colored doughs in the same way and they all should be of the same size. Now let's keep them all in the refrigerator for some time for them to set. Now take 1 egg white. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of water to this. Mix it well. I'm going to use this for coating on top of the dough. All these dough sheets are nicely set now. So let's apply a little bit of this egg white wash. Now place the orange color layer on top of this. Coat it again. This will ensure the layers won't stick together. All the layers are nicely stacked like this. Now place a cling film on this and gently roll it. Do not press too much. Now remove this cling film. Chop these additional layers so that they will be nice and leveled. Similarly, do it on this side as well. The rainbow color is looking very nice. Now we need to measure the height of this one. This is like approximately 1 centimeter. So we need to make 1 centimeter marks on this using a scale. If you have a thicker cookie cutter, then you can use it. So now let's start cutting this. It's nice and colorful. Keep it aside. Our rainbow colors are all ready. Let's cut them with a cookie cutter. So place the cookie cutter like this and it's nicely come out. So lift it off gently. It's very beautiful. Keep it aside. I'm going to take this egg wash again and coat lightly on these and then place one on top of the other. Gently press it and stack them. Continue the process. Little bit of egg wash and place the next one. Make sure they are nicely aligned like this. Press it gently. So friends, cut this rainbow log. It is nice and ready. Let's keep it in the fridge for some time so that it will nicely set. Now take our white dough, remove it from the cling film in which I wrapped it. Make thin rolls out of this. Now take our heart shaped roll. This is nicely set now. I've taken it out of the fridge. Apply a little bit of this egg coating on top of this all around. Take this roll of dough. Place it in the middle like this. Keep taking thin rolls like this and place it. Give gentle tap. Nicely roll it like this. So there will not be any cracks. Now let's nicely roll it like this in this foil paper. Close the edges like this. Now let's keep it in the fridge for about 15 minutes so that it will be nicely set. After 15 minutes, let's open this. It's nicely set. Now coat it with some egg white nicely all over. Now spread some sprinklers on this. Now place this on this gently and roll it and make sure all the sprinklers will stick to this nicely. Do not press too much. So now let's keep it in the freezer for about 30 minutes for it to nicely set. After 30 minutes, this is nicely set. So let's start cutting it into nice roundels. So friends, these cookies are nice and ready to be baked now. Let's bake this at 160 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 11 minutes or until they are done. So friends, I've taken these cookies out of the oven after 12 minutes of baking. They are cooked very nicely and all over they are looking very crunchy and they are very colorful as well, as you can see. They are looking very beautiful. So let's cool them down by taking them onto a cooling rack and after that they'll be ready to eat. So Yashi, I wish you a very happy new year.
Same to you.
Thank you. So I made these very special rainbow heart cookies for you. You want to try this?
Yes, please. Looks really yummy, especially the sprinkles around the edge and the rainbow hearts in the middle.
Yeah, try it. How is it?
It tastes really yummy.
Oh, that's nice. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And also, please like and follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications whenever I post new recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.
The like button looks like this also.
Alright. Bye-bye.